Today in this video I will show you how you can delete a repository from GitHub. But before that, I just need to say you one thing. If you have not subscribed my channel till now, please subscribe the channel because this video will be helpful for you. So let us assume this repository I need to delete it from my GitHub. So here is the setting. You just need to click on the settings, then scroll down to the bottom. Then here you can see delete this repository. Just click on delete this repository. Yes, I want to delete this repository. I have read. Then you just need to write this thing, whatever is written there. I will tell you one thing to make it faster. Just copy this search. Okay, just copy the above URL, your name slash that repository name, copy it and paste it. Then click on delete this repository. It will ask you for the access, means password. Just click your password and click on confirm. Once you will write confirm, that repository will be successfully deleted and you will be redirected to your profile page. That's all for today, guys. If this video is helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.